Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the JESIMAIK, J-E-S-I-M-A-I-K Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. It's model A1421. Good folks over at this company gifted me this to do a little unboxing, show you what you get, and then we're going to try it out and see if it'll take a lug nut off of a SUV. So let's get it opened up and see what we got. Comes in a nice hard case. That is a plus. Turn around here so you can see. Have our instruction book here. It comes with 2 batteries. 4,000 milliamp batteries. Oh, the little clip right here, a little hanger clip that you can mount on here if you'd like. What we have here. Okay, we'll get to that in a moment. Charger. You plug that in. Slide that battery on like so. Get that bad boy charged up. Let's go ahead and plug it in while we're just thinking about it and make sure we got a good charge on here. And then we'll continue with that in just a moment. You'll know it's charging. You got the little light right there indicating. Just notice something on these batteries. They have a button right here you can push to see how much power you have in that battery. That's cool. Just 3 bars on that one. Probably charged up good, but we're going to go ahead and let it be charging while we are doing the rest of this. Anyway, we have our sockets here, the impact sockets. A little heavier duty than regular sockets. It's like we have 5 of them. 24 millimeter, 22 millimeter, oh, a big one, 27 millimeter, 17 millimeter, and a 19 millimeter. Oh, okay. Get them in order there. You can kind of check them out. And good grief, that has got some weight to it now. It's not overly heavy, but it feels very solid. No power, because we don't have the battery on there. That's all right. We're going to get it on there in just a moment. Right here is the spot where you would put this little holder right there if you wanted to. Now this is variable speed. I'll put the speeds right over here. You can kind of see what it'll do. Brushless motor. Does have a little light right here. When we get the battery on there, I'll show you that. Oh, you can put that clip on either side, just however you want it. It says 1/2 inch, 13 millimeter brushless impact wrench, or wrench. Tomato, I don't know, however you want to say it. I think you can get the idea. Man, I can't get over how good that feels. That is nice. Foam cut out to hold it all in place. That is a nice thing there. Let me check this battery. It's showing 4 bars. Still red up here. This should turn green once it is fully charged, but we're going to go with it here. Just push the little yellow button right here to release it. Same thing with on here. Just slide that bad boy on there like so. And you'd push that to release it. The little light comes on right there. Now it's got a lock right in the middle. Right here is your forward and reverse. But if you put it in the middle, it won't do anything. It's a lock. That's forward and reverse. There's little status indicators right here to adjust those modes that I showed you a while ago. Okay, over here on this side, you have your mode button. And over here, you have a light button. This is SW2 key. It says press and hold SW2 for 1 second. A single flash of the light confirms that a 20-minute delay timer for the work light has been activated or deactivated. If you want to delay that, you just hold it in. And it'll flash. Turns it off. Right here is your modes. That's mode 1. You can see the little green LED light. Mode 2, mode 3, and mode 4. Okay, right here is your reverse and forward buttons. Push it in to go forward, and then you can push this one to make it go reverse. If you just push it halfway, like that, you can see that it's even. And that'll lock it. And here was your battery indicator, and just push that and it'll tell you how many bars are on it and your battery release. And right there is your 4 impact modes. And You kind of take a look at that if you're interested. There's kind of your layout of the impact wrench. Kind of see there. Your battery capacities. Okay, let's go try it out. Okay, let's put on here. My wheels require an adapter, so put that on there. Takes it right off of there. Not a problem at all. That's a great job. No issues whatsoever. I like that. Whereas that's on high, you hear the difference. Go ahead and check them all, see if they're tight. We already did that one. We'll just make sure they're tight here. Good to go. I tell you what, if you are looking for a good impact wrench that will get the job done, you might want to check this one out. Definitely a thumbs up in my book. Hey, if you want to check this out, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you like tools like this, I've got a playlist right over here. You might want to check that one out too. Maybe something in there that perks your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.